Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right.
I had an amazing time tonight showcasing my two latest short films. Really humbled by everyone's support, my family and friends coming out tonight to showcase these stories and tell the world, show the world these stories that need to be told.
You've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done with.
Like, everybody was moving with a sense of urgency. Everybody was moving with like the intention of getting things finished. But as soon as we got on set, everybody was ready and willing to work. So audio had set up shop. Of course, I was on camera being the DP, set up shots for the nighttime shots we had to do. And then, yeah, but everybody was on set on the same wave, so it was really good.
My way, on my way.
I think that's it. So